Hello everyone. So I am going to recite one poem. The name of this poem is Swing Little Girl. So let's start. Swing little girl, swing high to the sky and don't ever look at the grounds. If you are looking for the rainbows, look up to the skies. You will never find rainbow if you are looking down. Life may be dreary. Life may be dreary, but never the same. Someday it is sunshine, someday it is rain. Swing, little girl, swing high to the sky, and don't ever look to the ground. If you are looking for the rainbow, look up to the sky, but never, no, never look down. So, what is to be do with this poem? This poem is very quite relatable to Charlie Chaplin's life. One of the best comedian of the world. He was an English actor, he was a comedian, he was a filmmaker, he was a composer. तो हमें इस पोएम से क्या सीखना चाहिए? This poem says that if you are looking for the rainbow, don't ever look down. So if you are on one task, okay, if you are on one goal, we don't have to step back. Okay, if you've started one thing, don't ever step back. There will be problems, there will be errors, but that is the thing we have to do. We have to maintain the consistency of what we are doing. We have to see the target, we have to see the goal, and we have to just keep going. We have to just keep pushing ourselves. Or one day it will come when we'll say that yes, what I did was absolutely correct. And you will be so proud of yourself. I will be so proud of myself. This is the thing. The one change is necessary. All changes are hard at the beginning. They are very hard. There will be many problems. There will be so much of thing. There will be so much of disappointment we'll face. But we have to surpass them. We have to keep pushing ourselves. So all the changes are very hard in the beginning. They are hard. They are so messy in the middle. We'll be just confused that what should we do. They are so messy. But at the end, they are so much gorgeous. And that is the thing we are looking for. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि यार तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं और सबकी बात कर रहा हूँ. हर किसी के साथ ऐसा होता है. हर कोई कहीं ना कहीं डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, स्ट्रेस, प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करता है. लेकिन why to hear those peoples? These are those peoples who gives you advice, as well as they criticize in the time when you are having disappointment, or when you are having failure. They will give you advice as well as they will criticize you. So why to listen to them? Why to listen to them? These are like just bastards. Why should we listen to them? I'll say just one thing. Just be yourself. Just do what your heart is doing. Okay? What your heart is saying. Do what your heart is saying. Everybody is not perfect. हर कोई परफेक्ट नहीं होता. कहीं ना कहीं हम अपने अंदर खमियाँ निकाल लेते हैं. हम सोचते हैं कि यार दिस इज़ माई नेगेटिव पॉइंट, और उसी के चलते हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप से डिसअपॉइंट होते हैं, उससे स्ट्रेस लेते हैं, और उसी से हम दबे रह जाते हैं. लेकिन नहीं, ये नहीं करना. ये नहीं करना है. हम सब के अंदर एक अच्छा मॉन्स्टर है, मॉन्स्टर ऐसा वाला मॉन्स्टर जो सबको खाता है, वो नहीं, एक अच्छा मॉन्स्टर, नॉट ए एविल वन बट ए गुड वन। हमें उसको बाहर निकालना है, हमें अपने आप से फाइट करनी है, हमें ये सब जो आसपास जो कमेंट है, हेट कमेंट्स, इनसे हमें फाइट करनी है और हमें अपने आप को ग्रो करना है। वी हैव टू ग्रो आवरसेल्फ। और अगर हम नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? अरे यार, नोबडी गिव्स यू अ फक, ओके? नोबडी डैम केयर्स अबाउट यू, नोबडी। एक ह्यूमन lives about around 70 to 80 years. 70 to 80 years. Right now I am 20, so I have lived my 1/4 life. 25% I have lived. So what? Should I disappoint that I have only 3/4 of life is left? Or should I be happy? Or should I boost myself that the rest 3/4 of my life I will give my best? अगर हम ये सब चीज़ सोचने लग गए तो आप कभी न कभी definitely that one day will come that will make you surprise, that will make you really really surprising. It will be so fucking good day. उस दिन आप सोचोगे कि यार दिस इज़ द मोमेंट आई एम लिविंग फॉर, दिस इज़ द डे आई एम वर्किंग फॉर। हर किसी के साथ कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं। मैं कह रहा हूँ ये सब क्योंकि मेरे साथ भी प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे आसपास जो कोई रहता है उसके साथ प्रॉब्लम्स है, लेकिन इन चीज़ों को हमें प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं लेनी है, हमें उनसे आगे बढ़ना है। और there are many inspirations around us, there are many motivational people around us. We should learn from them. Just take an example of a physically handicapped person. If he thinks that he is physically handicapped and he can't do anything, what he will do? He will die in some years. But the same person, if he thinks that I am not physically handicapped, that I am not disabled, I am differently abled, I can do anything, I can do the same thing that one who is not handicapped is doing, I can do that thing also, then why won't he grow? Why won't the people like us grow? We have to think about that. Life is so much crazy, there is so much thing to learn from life, so much thing. But there are some distractions also. These are the distraction. These problems are distraction. Sometimes the phone I am using, this is distraction. Or these distraction, they resist, they stop our creative production. So you have to get in a better direction, okay? We should ask from people who are having a good thought of mind. We should ask them, we should learn from them. Then we'll understand that yes, I can do. There is nothing in the world that I can't do. There is nothing in the world we the humans can't do. So why can't I? I can do every possible thing that comes to my mind that I think that I want to do it. So that's it. That what I want to say. और जो भी मुझे देख रहा है अभी तक समझेगा पागल इंसान। सब होते हैं पागल यार, कहीं ना कहीं सब पागल होते हैं। और मेरा क्या है कि मैं हल्का कैमरे से बात करता हूँ। आई जस्ट लव टॉकिंग टू माई सेल्फ। मेरे दोस्त हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है, दोस्त भी हैं, दोस्त से बात करते हैं, सबसे बात करते हैं। आई एम ए कॉलेज स्टूडेंट राइट नाउ। काफ़ी मज़ा आता है, लेकिन समटाइम्स यू हैव टू टॉक टू योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो। यू शुड डू दैट थिंग, और काफ़ी मज़ा आता है सच में। बाय बाय।